Alright guys, welcome to Aniimal Kingdom Lodge, the Kidani Village side. Today we're going to take you on a room tour of a deluxe studio here with a Savanna view. We're on the third floor, room 7742. If you're parking, you would park in the Rafiki parking lot, and so here we go. So as we open up the door here, you'll see that you have immediately you have a hallway with a kitchenette on the left. It's your standard DVC kitchenettes. You have your full-size coffee maker, coffee cups. You have your 50th anniversary coffee with all your creamers and things like that you need. You look above it, you'll see that you have a microwave and a toaster sitting there. If you open up these cabinets here, you'll see that you have your paper goods and your silverware. They're still doing styrofoam and plastic with that. Get these shut. Over here, this one, you have some additional cups. You have your ice maker, and up top you have your additional paper towels. If you have any dishes that you need to do, you see you have your little soap right there, as well as your sink. You look down here, you have a nice size refrigerator. We have coffee and Coke in it right now, but a little freezer section up top there. And then of course you have some trash down here and some more storage if you need that. We'll go ahead and move on into the restroom area. You'll see that it only has one sink, which is not bad. Marble countertops here. You get your H2O products to use at the sink. You have your mirror, your makeup mirror there attached. You have your toilet area here, very plain, simple, but roomy. When you shut that door, you'll see that you have a full-length mirror there. You have your towels down there, and then if you shut this door to the left, that is your shower. We'll open this up so that you guys can see the artwork in the shower head. I love the detail in the artwork. It is a ceramic artwork there, but then you see the you have the H2O pumps, your body wash, your shampoo, and your conditioner. And then of course, as you always do, you have your string there, and it's actually on there this time. So moving out of here, when you leave the bathroom area, you're going to look and see that there's another door right there. That's a lock off to a one bedroom. So if you were going to get a two bedroom lock off, you might would use both of those doors. You open it up here, you have a closet, you have additional pillows, blankets, you have your safe down there, which is electronic, so they have one of those safes in here. And then moving into the room finally, just to kind of let you take a look around. The decor in here is really nice. It fits the theming of the lodge really, really well. The bed is very comfortable. You have lamps on each side of the bed. You can see the headboard. Very, very unique headboard. And then when you look back from the bed, you'll see you have your additional kind of closet space there, armoire style, and your dresser. And so you have plenty of storage in this one. We'll open this up so you can see. You need a place to hang your clothes. You have that additional place for storage. Now, moving on over here, one of the things that I always like to point out, plugs and such. Under the TV here, they have your standard plug-ins as well as two USB. They are not USB-C at this point. Same thing over here. And then if we turn over by the bed, you will see there is going back over here for a second, there's a plug-in right there. There's no USB-C there, it's just a regular plug-in. And then as we make our way over here, on the other side of the bed where the end table is at, a nightstand, you'll see you have your two plug-ins. You also do have two USB-C outlets there. You have your remote. The remote did come packaged and wrapped. It's clean, but we've taken that off already. You have your light switches there. One of the things I do like in this room that not all of them have is a ceiling fan. If you sleep with a ceiling fan, they do have one in here that is is an advantage, and you know, it always feels good to have a fan, or at least we think so. As you move along, you'll see the decor. Let me get these lights hopefully turned on here. There we go, it's a little better. You'll see again the chairs, fits the theming really, really well. Nice sized table. Your enhanced cleaning information, your room occupied sign there. And then, and last but not least, the Savanna view. So let me get this opened up for you guys. And we'll step out on the balcony here. You'll see you have 2 chairs and a table between you guys. But this is one of our favorite resorts to stay on property, just for the simple fact of being able to wake up in the morning, see the animals. Right now there are 3 zebras out there. There's 2 kind of in the shade right over there, and then a 3rd one eating just off the pathway there. But yesterday we had some giraffes. Yesterday we had some giraffes out here that were eating as well during almost like during the rain, and a couple of birds right there as well. So anyway, this is not going to cover it, but again, if you like this kind of getaway from Disney, feel like you're in a completely different place in the mornings and a place to relax, where it's not quite the hustle and bustle, this is a great option to look at. And just to kind of give you one more quick view back in the room from the balcony. All right, guys, that's going to about do it for this room tour. If you have any questions for us, please feel free to leave in the comments below. We'll do the best that we can to answer it for you. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.